HobbyKids Vids.
Alright guys, we're going to paint some birdhouses today.
I want this one. I want that one.
See, we have this one. And which one do you want?
I want
This one?
this one. I want that one. I want that one. Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Okay. Now pick your paints.
This one.
Pick your paint.
This one.
And then this one's for Hobby Baby. Okay. But we have to put on your aprons. We have Buzz Lightyear. We have Dino Dinosaur.
Oh, I want Dino.
Put that on.
Dino.
And we got Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. I
And
love Hot
we
Wheels.
got more Hot Wheels. Who wants Hot Wheels?
Me too.
Or Spider-Man?
Me. I need help putting this on.
You want Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Hot Wheels? Okay.
How do you put this on? Mima, how do you put this on? What? Did you make this? Why is there a dinosaur inside the light here?
Put your apron on. You don't get paint all over your clothes. Now it stays in front like this.
Are birds gonna lay nests in here?
Yeah.
And are we gonna eat the eggs?
No.
Only good out with chicken's egg.
Yeah. Bird eggs are too tiny.
Like this tiny?
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll just, we'll eat them quick. Yeah.
Okay, here's your paintbrush. You want a little one or a big, tall one?
Big one. Giant one.
Hobby Baby?
Oh!
Hobby Pig Frog?
Hobby Pig Frog.
Hobby Frog?
Hobby Pig Frog. Hobby Pig.
Yeah!
You scared me.
Didn't see it.
Got you.
Okay, I want you to paint your houses any color you want.
Any color I want.
Hand me your paint, Hobby Baby.
I'm gonna start painting right now.
Go ahead. I'll get you some water. You can rinse your paintbrush.
I can't open these. I can't open this.
You're gonna paint your house. Your little birdhouse, so our little hummingbirds have a home to go in.
Do they have a home?
Yeah, they're gonna make this their home. Little birdhouse.
What about the other hummingbirds?
There's HobbyPigs birdhouse. Babies. Hi, Hobby Baby.
Can we have some water?
Yes. And there's Hobby Frog birdhouse. Ooh, pretty color. Good job, guys.
Vente. Distraction? Are you a distraction?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you guys are doing a really good job.
Vente. Where's my water?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is this a joke?
Oh. I don't know why
made
I
Hobby
said him.
Baby cry.
He's like, paint. I bet you can get down on that action.
Oh, here's my water. That took very long. Something smells delicious.
Mima's making chicken noodle soup.
Something smells delicious.
How's it coming, Hobby Baby? You want to use a different color? Wow, that looks really pretty.
Okay. Give it to me.
Okay.
When's the chicken also gonna be done?
That's HobbyPig. Always hungry. He's a growing boy.
I'm done!
Done?
Yes! I got yacked 2 times today.
You got yacked.
I am good.
You can tell HobbyPig loves green. That's our little hummingbird house.
Okay, mine's done.
It's done? Hobby Frog. Perfect project for a rainy day, huh guys?
Yeah.
Hobby Baby's still working on his.
Where's the food gonna be done? I think I'm done.
You done?
I gotta get that food before the yackers get me.
Okay, give me your house.
Okay.
That's so pretty, Hobby Baby.
There you go.
Well, Hobby Baby, you're all by yourself. Hey, Hobby Baby, I love the red. Good job. You like to paint? Doing so good. And here's Hobby Pig's birdhouse and acting goofy as usual. And now we have Hobby Frog's birdhouse. So cute.
This wafering.
Introducing Hobby Baby's birdhouse, and he did such a good job.
Run like a little butterfly. Run like a little butterfly. Run like a little butterfly.
Hey, I put your birdhouses over here, guys. Tell me if you like it here. Right there.
Whoa! That's
cute?
cool! Very cute!
The birdhouse right here, do you like it?
Yeah!
Subscribe for more behind the scenes with Hobby Kids and family. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up for our birdhouses. Now we're gonna have to wait to see if little birdies get in there, huh?
Yeah! Fine!
Hopefully they'll make a home in that little, they'll go in the little hole and make a little home.